So there I was. Barbecue sauce on my tits. Akafumi-san, what? Who are you? Tits. Barbecue sauce. What? Ayo. Anyone else hearing that? The moans of your mom? The bed squeaking because I'm fucking you, mom? ... What happened? Motoki, did you infect Kazuki with your humor? No. Yes. End me and Saka's suffering. Please. We deal with them every day. Why are you all so mean to me? What's wrong, Tago? First off, you. Second, the rain. The fucking thunder. I'm scared. What do you? I hear it. Please, I'm so fucking terrified right now, not to mention him home alone. Crying Iwamuro. Lumeo, suck it. Me. Kazu. Sashiro and Ichigo are at my place for a sleepover. Motoki sent an attachment. ... Asshole. Motherfucker. You bitch. Backstabbers. Calm down. I am calm. Hey Muro, can you open your window? Iwamuro is a fly. Yoshitomo is a fly. 4 others are a fly. I hate you all.